Moment of truth, let's pull this head off and see what happens. Now, Moto IQ said to hold the chain up as you pull the head. I'm going to try and do it without doing that and see what happens. Okay, it comes off all right. Oh my god. And I'm looking at the head. It looks fine. I don't see any leakage into the water jacket. That is not what I wanted to see at all. There's no leakage around the edge of the cylinders at all. It looks like new. Answers on a postcard. Why would it have been overheating, and why would it have been blowing coolant out of the header tank? Look at the cylinder bores. The cross hatching is still there. It's a bit faded, I suppose, but it's there. I don't see any damage on the middle two cylinders. It looks a bit crusty on top of cylinder 1. Cylinder 2 looks a bit crusty. Cylinder 4 looks like new. Cylinder 3 looks like there was something happening there. Dried oil on it. But I don't know. Does that look kind of normal? You can see how good that piston is. Number 4. Let's have a look under the cylinder head. Answers on the postcard, guys. I don't really know what I'm looking for. Number 4 has got the most oily valves, and yet that is the cleanest cylinder. And looking at this side, I don't see any leakage around the cylinders. How is it pressurizing the combustion chambers? I don't know the answers, guys. If you do, please let me know what you think was happening to this engine. With regards to the cylinder head, we have got some scoring here on the cylinder 1 on the exhaust camshaft, and it looks like there's a bit of a blockage there. It is scored, but the other ones look absolutely perfect. But there is something in the oil gallery here. I'm almost reluctant now to take it apart any further. Got these limescale deposits, but I don't think they're blocking anything. Cylinders feel perfectly smooth, but this looks super clean. But the oily valves of this one, I'm even reluctant to take the gasket off, guys, to be honest with you. I don't see any reason to take the gasket off, quite honestly. Guys, let me know what you think about what's going on with this engine. This is the block. Let's turn the engine over. And I'm not seeing anywhere on the cylinders at all. Number 4 doesn't look too clever around the outside. It doesn't look scratched, it just looks like water deposits, bit of water maybe. So with a finger it's smooth, but I can feel like a little bit of lips towards the top. Very slight lips around the top of the cylinder, but maybe that's normal. And number 1 looks fine, no damage to the cylinders. What should I do next is a question I'm asking. What would be your suggestions? What do I need to do? Because if the engine is good, ideally, obviously ideally I like to have this engine running again. Well, apart from the cylinder head having the scratches on the one bay, it seems alright. What do you think I should do with it? Is it worse? Is it savable? What do you think went wrong with it? What can I do with it? Should I disassemble the crank? You know, let me know your thoughts. That's where I am with it at the moment. I'm reluctant to take anything more apart if the engine is basically good, you know? Good. So that's it, guys. You know, leave a comment below. I'm waiting for them. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you again in the next video.